Hello and welcome everyone. So we are at IMTEX 2024 at the stall of laser automation, and they had few visitors who visited their booth and experienced the innovation by laser automation which have been put it here at the stall. I'm having with us Mr. Raman from Chennai, and
Good
he is going
morning.
to get us some more information about what innovations you have explored here.
I basically dropped in here to look into the possibility of developing a small laser welding facility for small components, auto components, which we manufacture in our plant in Chennai. And with very limited information available, laser technology with me, so I just wanted to interact with them and to understand better about the technology as well as the possibility of getting a SPM sort of machine developed. So the interaction was very good. I have now a fair idea about how the whole thing is going to be, and I look forward to take this subject forward.
Thank you so much, sir. Coming to you, Vaibhav, what was your experience interacting with such new visitors, letting know about their technology?
See, each and every customer is different from aspects. There are several customers have a different applications. Even though we are also learning about all things in what's new in the market, what we can do with the laser of their applications. So we are also getting some new experience day by day. And today is the third day. Obviously, the things are going good.
Thank you so much, everyone,
Thank you very
for
much.
watching us.